Introducing the BOSM-4010 double spindle milling and boring center. Your partner in heavy-duty machining excellence. Robust mid-box dual-column structure ensures rock-solid stability. For meters x-axis travel and 1.6 meters pass-through handle large. Heavy work pieces with these. Dual spindles for efficient double-sided machining or single-side flexibility. 360x3 6-ohm heavy-duty hard rail sliding pillow delivers high-efficiency, precision cutting. Transform your operations with our BOSM-4010 and achieve enhanced efficiency and productivity. We are your partner for providing excellent return on investment with special metalworking solutions.